Happy Monday morning. And what are we going to be doing this week? We're going to be organizing, and I'm going to be showing you my nail polish collection. First, I'm going to go take care of the animals, and then we're going to be going to Dollar Tree. Great way to start out a nail polish collection by going to get more nail polish, because I'm planning on getting some pink nail polish from Dollar Tree. I must tend to the herd. Alright, I'm in Dollar Tree. You know, Dollar Tree has all of these different fake nails. It's just great. Look at this one. This one is just beautiful. I've never seen it at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has more kinds of LA colors, like more colors than my Walmart. So, I mean, I gotta pay the extra 25 cents. Has anybody ever tried one of these Wet n Wild one-step wonder gels? Please let me know. Different eye glows back here too. Like 3-in-1 nail art brushes, decor, and color. So that's cool. These are really good too. Right here, I always use these. Has anyone ever tried the Super Straight Builder? Let me know. I've never tried it. So I think we're gonna go with these 3 LA colors. This one, which is absolutely beautiful as you can see. This lighter one, these are nice for spring. And also this one. This is look beautiful over other colors. We'll bring out the shine with that one. So yeah, I'm gonna pick out these 3 LA colors. Right, I'm at Walmart, and as you can see, LA Colors, they do have a lot of colors, so I stand corrected, but they do not have the colors that I picked out at Dollar. But I'm really digging this one right here, and also this one right here. Look at this one. Of course, no collection completed without some purple passion. Oh, you gotta see this. Oh my goodness. So I always buy these Salon Perfect, like specialty top bottles, and I have all of these, and I love them, but look, they got 2 new colors in. It looks like a mermaid shade and a corally gold pink. Oh, beautiful. I suggest getting these because these colors are absolutely beautiful. Love them. Actually, I've bought 2 of these. I'm going to go with this one today. Okay, here's something right here. So this Kiss Brush on Glue, $2.92. This is only $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and I love getting at Dollar Tree, so little heads up there. Always look in the clearance aisle because we got some winners here. Well, hello. Got home, and I just got done filming a YouTube short for my other channel, Ascended Tran. I have to do a few more other things, so we won't get to organizing this, right here, all this nail polish today, but this is why it's a weekly vlog, because I know that organizing this nail polish collection will probably take me a couple of days, so this is why this is a weekly vlog, because look at all that. But by the end of this week, if I get it all organized, I'm going to be so happy. I was pleasantly surprised by all the new nail polish that my Dollar Tree and Walmart got in. I mean, I got a haul. I'm so excited about those Salon Perfects. Oh, I just hit that with my butt. Well, I must finish work on my Ascended Trend video, so I will see your beautiful face tomorrow. Here's the plan. I have my dresser here, and then I have my nail polish shelf and my nail polish tower, and then my fold-out nail desk over here. That has nail polish in it. That needs to be organized too. But I'm really focusing on this week. So I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up. Put everything that, you know, needs to be put back in its place. Like my makeup needs to be put back in my makeup drawer. I need to give my sister her tissues back. And it needs all to be cleaned up. And then we can really look at the nail polish and kind of organize it and place it where I want to place it. Ta-da! It's all cleaned up, and also I cleaned around my nail desk as well. Also did a garlic and lemon treatment on my nails. I'm so happy what I got done today because I'm this much closer. Having an organized, cool looking nail polish shelf and an organized, cool looking tower. Just hit into it because I'm tired. That's enough for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Ash Wednesday. Probably know Ash Wednesday from people having like ashes on their forehead and the sign of a cross. That is because Ash Wednesday is the start of Lent. From ashes we came, from ashes we will return. It's all about contemplating and thinking about not this life, but the next, all about heaven. And then the cross with ashes, of course, the ashes mean you're a sinner, but it's in the sign of a cross because it means we have a savior. I probably won't film much today because Wednesday is definitely a day for reflection and fasting. Good morning. Today we're going to continue our cleaning / organizing the nail polish. And that I have for organizing my nail polish. Let's see if it works. Is I'm going to take my notebook. And I was thinking, how about yellow polishes next to black polishes, orange polishes next to red polishes, silver and blue and purple kind of intertwining, so where I would put a silver polish, a blue polish, and a purple polish next to each other on the shelf or on the tower. And then also gold, brown, and tan together, and then green and pink together, because obviously that's the theme of my room, is green and pink. And by the way, I got these gel pens from Amazon, and I love them. They're amazing. I've used them for over a year now with my planner and everything, and oh my goodness, they're just so cool. This is a good starting point, so we need to start with these colors. Obviously, I can just set them on the nail polish shelf and the tower. Just get it in random. It takes me a longer time to like organize them there how I like it, and then I don't actually really like it. Hopefully, I'll get to organize my nail polishes today, but I don't know. I gotta clean up the rest of my room and try to find my St. Patrick water decal. I lost them. St. Anthony, I can't find them. I gotta sit down and film my St. Patrick manicure, so I'll have the video ready, edited and ready to upload for St. Patrick's. And I had custom decals made for it again, just like I did with my Valentine's Day video. So if you're watching this video right now, I've probably already uploaded St. Patrick's Day video, but I'm telling you right now, not looking good for me even filming the video. And also getting ready, because if I find the decals, then I'm ready to, film tomorrow, but I'm not exactly ready because I gotta plan what I'm gonna do. What colors am I gonna use? We're green, duh. But I don't know which shade of green. What color is gonna be the accent? Maybe gold? This is where I keep my decals, but they're not in here. No! This old 2000s box, which I love. I've had it ever since I was a little kid. This is the hand that I'm gonna film with, so I have no nail polish or anything on it. It's just bare and it's ready to be filmed with. But I need the decal. And also I changed my shape to an almond. It's not in here, so I gotta go check other places. Another place where I keep my decals and fake nails, but of course it's not in here. So where would it be? I also keep water decals in here, my little box that I painted, and also my stamping plate, but it's not there. Is it like hiding behind one of these nail polishes? I don't know, but I gotta turn this camera off and I gotta dig in all this stuff. I'm taking apart my shelf, as you can see, and looking all around for those decals. Where are the decals? I moved everything around, I cleaned everything, and I don't see it. I've cleaned it all up and I still haven't found the decals. I even looked way up. I mentioned this before that I keep my decals in here, and I just knew they were in here, so I went back and I took everything out of it and all my decals, and guess what? The decals were literally right here. They were stuck up in here. I can film tomorrow with my St. Patrick decal. Because, how do I not film with that? I had this custom made for St. Patrick's Day. Good morning. Starting the day off with some 100% OJ. It's actually watered down OJ. I like it really watered down. Dishwasher's running if you're wondering what that sound is. This is actually where I take my nail pictures if you were ever wondering. You have 3 windows right here, so that's a lot of lights. Or you can... They're all bare. They're ready to be filmed with. I've just been rubbing coconut oil on them every day. But yeah, another succulent. Look, the elf's looking at the succulent. I'm in the middle of filming my St. Patrick's manicure. You're wondering where all this length came from. I'm using my beetle nail tips. I don't know why they're called nail tips. They're full coverage fake nails. They are my favorite fake nails. There's other good fake nails, but oh my goodness, these are good. Oh, I gotta link these down in the description box down below because I love them because they got a little band to them. So this is what it looks like. A little behind the scenes of how I film. I usually put my ring light and this camera that I'm filming on right now. And usually I just plop my nails right here and film. I love the McCart nail lamp. It's my favorite. I got stuff over there to help me film. Back over here I have my Dollar Tree paint palette. As you can see, it's full of old paint. So yeah, work going underway. Got my St. Patrick's Day manicure with water decals all filmed. I'm now going to put my water decals up back in my box up here. And if I ever forget where I put them or where they are, I'll just check back in this vlog video and I'll know exactly. So I'm going to put them back in there. And there's where my water decals are. So Vanna, in the future, if you lose them, they're in here, okay? Check here first. I just did my sister's nails. I think I mentioned that before, that I do my sister's nails on Friday. I give her a nice little manicure. So pardon the mess. I gotta clean this up before I go to bed. Or not clean it up, go to bed, and then clean it up tomorrow. Not sure. Good morning. Oh, I can hardly get up. Good morning. Mainly because I did some leg workouts yesterday, and my legs are so sore. But anyways, the plan for today is to organize my nail polish. That was the plan for every day. But we're finally getting to it. I gotta wake up here, and then we're gonna start color coding the nail polish. I don't know. All dark and gloomy today. It's raining, it's pouring. Our meat isn't thawing. Also, I got my notebook here where we have all the colors of where we want to place them. Taking the reds. We're taking the colors in general. Oh my goodness. Setting them in the red pile on my bed. Calling all reds, calling all reds. You gotta go in the red pile. All blues, gotta go in the blue pile. Gotta go in the blue pile. Oh my goodness, they're empty! I just set the base coat and top coats I have right here. But you can take a look at my bed. Oh my goodness. You got the pinks, the greens, yellows, grays, gold, red, blue, purple, white, orange, brown, tannish color, black, silver. Look at my pile of pink. Like, my sister did a manicure and she put these two colors together and they absolutely looked beautiful and perfect. While I'm sitting here, I'm just looking at some of these that I really like from Dollar Tree, like this one from Dollar Tree. Light color Sparkly Diamond, love this one. One of the ones that I just opened up because I had to get a new one when I was at Dollar Tree, one of my favorites. Sparked by Wet n Wild. Beautiful pink glitter. I put these two in the orange pile because they're kind of orange, you know. These two are one of my top favorites from Dollar Tree, which is Candy Coated and Craze. Love these. I'm putting them in the orange pile because, I don't know, they just seem kind of orange. This one's kind of funfetti, but I kind of like it with the orange. This is a beautiful Dollar Tree, like, purple kind of topper. And it's just beautiful. And I'm putting it in the purple, even though it's kind of, I don't know, kind of undertones of purple. That doesn't look good. And, like, I don't know exactly where to put this polish, but it just seems like it should go with the black polishes. Of course, I'm adding new ones to the collection. Remember, we just picked this one out on Monday? It is beautiful. I'm going to say that's green, so I'm putting it with green. I need a bigger brown pile. I need some more browns. Right, now that we have them cleaned off, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe them a little bit. They're a little dusty on the shelves and everything, and then we'll go from there. Since I'm not exactly super clear on what I'm doing, I'm going to start by putting green to pink to red, and we're going to see what that looks like. I don't know. Let me just fiddle with this off camera. I'm setting them right here to see if they look good next to each other. And here's what I've gotten so far on my shelf. So I didn't like the pink and green when I put them next to each other. So I did white and pink, and I think it looks good. Then I did purple and blue. I think it looks good. And now I've done black on the bottom. I don't know what I'm going to do else. And the reason why I haven't showed you everything is because I'm just kind of sitting here putting one, placing it, see if it looks good, taking it, putting it, placing it. It's taking me a while, okay? Okay, I'm trying to work this out so where it looks good. I put the black and the silver on this one, and then we did the purple and blue, but I'm trying to find out what looks good on the bottom. I'm so glad that I cleaned all of this off right here on my desk, mirror, thing of drawers, mirror, I don't know what to call this thing. Good thing I cleaned it off, because I'm putting all my nail polish on there and mixing it out there, okay? Or we could do turquoise. What do you think? Ew, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. It looks so royal. Okay, I love how this looks, but I don't know if it goes with the rest of the cool tones that are on the rest of the shelf. So I'm going to change up. I only have blacks left over from this shelf, but I got a couple and mainly little sparkly black glitters. So that's going to happen. Looks pretty good. I like how it goes. I guess I didn't pick the theme for this, but I guess it's cool tones that is this shelf. And I'm liking it. Oh my goodness, I just looked at my caboodle and I have a bunch of nail polish in it. Dang it. I thought it was all in fun. Okay, let's take these oranges off and see what we want to do here. The way it turns. Top, that's looking good. Now, we still got reds, so let's continue with the red. Ta-da! We got the nail polish shower here with gold that goes into still gold, and then red that goes into orange. This tan goes into pinky tan color yellow. Then it's pink that goes into purple, that goes into silver and whatever these glitters are. Pink that goes into green, and a green fades into one gold that I couldn't fit up there. And then we got blue on the bottom that goes into gray, and then it goes into brown. Pink that I couldn't fit up there, and that is what the tower. So it sits like this: gold, red, yellow, pink, green, blue, and it goes over here. Let me turn the light on. It's a Christmas light. I haven't got a normal, off Christmas season light, but I'll turn it on anyway so you can see. Now for my nail polish shelf. You see it? We got the 2 top shelves, which is pink and white. And then 2 more shelves that are filled with purple and blue. And then we got black and silver. And then we got turquoise and black. I think it looks very good together. Now let's go over to my desk. And now for my desk that I've never folded on camera because someone had to hold the camera for me and, Anyway, so folding it. I got my box full of decals and other nail accessories. Some coconut oil, gotta rub that on my nails every day. I got my nail art tools in these painted jars that I painted, and then Healthy Choice empty bottle fake vase. And then I got my Nails Addict. Don't they look beautiful? I got a kabuki brush, sandy cheeks because it's adorable. I got the Drizzle Beauty gel nail polishes that are mini, and then behind the Drizzle Beauty is the Melody Susan gel polishes that are mini. Then right here I have some specialty polishes like my 2 Starly Santa polishes, my Beetle gels, and some Drizzle Beauty behind it. And then I got my Born Pretty gels right here and right here. I got my toothpicks, which are in this painted container. Then I got my polygel stuff, slip, and my brushes, thingies, whatever. Then over here, Blue Cross is missing. It goes right there, but I took it and used it the other day. And these are all just like top coat, base coats, nail art stuff. Cuticle remover, cuticle oil. This little thing that I made from Dollar Tree. My Model 1 gels. And my drawer that's full of fake nail stuff and drill bits. Some LA Colors nail polish. My stampy plates and some nail stickers. Foil, fake nails, and mermaid glitter. And also my Melody Susie gel is behind here as well. Now I gotta go end this week by filming the outro to my St. Patty nail design video. But since you live in the future, why don't you click right here to watch it right now?